Good morning! Happy New Year! Today is January 1st, 2025 and we are on our way to pick up my parents kasi magbe-breakfast kami. It was a quiet New Year's Eve last night. Kaming tatlo lang din kasi medyo inaantok na kami pag mga ganung oras. So we just decided to stay home and then si Jeremy din kailangan din niyang matulog agad. Ito pala ang first vlog ko this year and sana magtuloy-tuloy, sana maging consistent ako. But anyway, we don't know. But I'm so glad that I'm doing this with my family and I love recording our memories together. Kahit simpleng mga ganitong lakad lang. And ang sarap lang balik-balikan. And this is the weather today. Hindi siya maulan, hindi rin siya ma-snow. Thank God walang snow this winter. We don't know yet. Hindi pa tapos ang winter. But a part of me is thankful na walang snow. But a part of me as well was like, sana may snow din. But it has its pros and cons, but it must be nice to have a white Christmas. And thank God it didn't rain today, even though it's gloomy, there's no rain, so mas madaling gumalaw. Medyo nahihiya pa ako mag-vlog sa public, so we'll see how it goes today. Gawa rin pala ako ng Foodstagram namin. Ipopost ko lang doon yung mga food memories namin sa family kasi wala. Gusto ko talagang mag-keep ng memories through photos since nung bata pa ako. Siguro kasi lumaki ako na napanood ko yung kasal nila mama at papa from, ano pa yun yung tape, yung VHS ba yun na tape? Meron sila nun. Ewan ko kung saan na yun. But I was able to watch their wedding through that VHS. And sila mama at papa nun, they loved printing photos of our childhood. So, natutuwa ako pagka nakikita ko yung sarili ko, ito yung bata ako. So, pagka lumaki si Jeremy, may makikita siyang mga physical evidence or mga photos ba nung bata siya at yung mga panahon na itong present time namin, makikita niya paglaki niya. So, it must be nice to have these memories to hold on to.
First day of January.
Awi again, anak. Sumbong ka again. Parang proud pa siyang sabihin na awi siya.
Awi, sabi niya doon sa car.
So, change of plans. We're going to North Van instead kasi gutom na ang mga kasama ko. Gutom na rin naman ako.
Si Awi.
Brunch na lang kasi it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning. Kapal na ng snow sa mountains. Jeremy, daming alalay. And it's currently 3 degrees. Ito yung driving school ko noon. Capilano Driving School. Guys, dito kami nakatira noon. St. George's Avenue. Malapit sa Lionsgate Hospital. Bus stop daw ni Papa. Saka ba unang nag-work noon pa? Kings Farm, diba? West Van, no? Sa North Van. Dami naming memories as a family dito sa North Van. Yes, anak. Andito ako. Ito, bibili tayo ng cleanser. Ito, wala na kasi akong facial cleanser. Ito na yung gamit ko since COVID. We're going back. Table's almost ready. Cold! Subway. Pa, dito tayo. Naliligaw pa rin sa 2025. Yan yung public library kung saan dinadala ni Mama yung mga alaga niya noon. Itutour ko kayo. So yung Blends Coffee na yan, dyan ako nag-work noon.
For 2 days, as nag-resign.
No, just for the holidays. Pero ang first job ko talaga is doon sa Tim Hortons na yan. Then ito, part-time lang noong nag-aaral ako ng practical nursing sa VCC. Pag didiretsuhin mo yan and you turn left, yung first block was our first apartment na tinirahan namin dito sa North Van. Di ba, Ma? Here. Yeah, there you go. Falafel burger. Jeremy, can you please sit down? Here. Oh, yeah. We'll have a falafel burger. Oh, I have a
Let me check if we have falafel.
Okay. Any options? I want falafel. And then one French toast. Oh, yeah. We'll just have to. And then, yes, please.
The sandwich or the menu?
Menu, please.
Yes.
I'll have salad.
Salad? What's up?
Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Pa, Happy New Year! Okay, we're going to Prospect Viewpoint in Vancouver. Mga biglaang lakad na tutuloy. Summer na lang dyan. Saan ang tawag dyan na? No, it's done. So we're here at Prospect Point in Vancouver. Hindi ito planadong lakad. Naisip lang ni Papa. So, ayan na! Diyos ko, ayan na. Oh, wow, ganda naman. May sub-sub ka balong ha. Mag-roly-poly ka dyan. Sige. Namumula na yung ilong niya. Namumula yung ilong niya. Wow!
The flag? This flag. Oh, yung bundok.
Ganda. Excited si Jeremy. Yung lakad niya ganun. Ano daw?
Where's the bridge? How about that one?
What's that, Jeremy? It's a...
Pepe.
Tuwa siya sa bike. That's West Vancouver. Nakatingin dito si Balong. Ay, mauna ka kaya sa amin, Daddy. Mauna. Ano yun? Sakit na ng likod ko. We made it, Jeremy.